Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this brief news update video. In this video, we wanted to share with you as to how Oracle has cracked the AI code and its strategy behind a 200 billion market cap jump. While tech giants battled over AI training, Oracle quietly positioned itself for something bigger, AI inferencing. And the result? A masterclass in strategic timing that has just made Larry Ellison the world's richest person. Let's look into the Oracle playbook and how they did it. First and foremost, Oracle bet on inferencing over training. While competitors focused on AI models, Oracle saw a bigger opportunity in running those models after they are built. The inferencing market is a much larger one than the training market, Ellison explained. People are running out of inferencing capacity. The insight out here, training an AI model happens once. Running it for millions of users happens continuously. Secondly, leveraging of relationships and not just technology. Oracle's secret weapon wasn't just technical, it was personal. Ellison's decades-long relationship with tech leaders has paid off. With Elon Musk's XAI, a multi-billion-dollar deal. With NVIDIA, a deep technical partnership. With OpenAI, a $30 billion annual contract for 4.5 gigawatts of computing power. Thirdly, an asset-light infrastructure strategy. While Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are spending $350 billion plus on data centers this year, Oracle has found a smarter approach. The approach is that it does not own the buildings, it focuses on computer efficiency. It uses the equipment more efficiently than the rivals. It generates higher revenues with less capital spending. Oracle CEO calls it asset pretty light rather than just asset light. And Oracle's 35 billion capex plan is delivering what rivals need almost 100 billion to deliver. And this brings us to database heritage as the AI advantage. Oracle's 48-year database expertise suddenly has become highly relevant. First and foremost in data management, secondly in enterprise relationships, and thirdly in technical credibility. When we are talking about data management, it's critical for AI workloads. The enterprise relationships provide ready customers, and its technical credibility brings its major AI companies as clients. And now let's talk about the stunning results. A 455 billion in new bookings, up from 138 billion last quarter. Larry Ellison has become the world's richest person, 388 billion versus Musk's 384 billion. Oracle stock has surged 39% in one day, the biggest gain since 1992, and its market cap is hitting 950 billion. Let's also talk about the revenue projection out here. Its revenue projection has increased from just 18 billion to 144 billion in the cloud infrastructure by 2029. All this brings us to the question that is Oracle the next NVIDIA? Oracle's transformation echoes NVIDIA's journey from gaming chips to AI dominance. Both the companies brought existing expertise into a new market, made bold early bets on AI infrastructure, captured outsized returns from perfect timing. But there's a key difference. NVIDIA avoids long-term predictions. Oracle just projected 5 years of growth, betting its entire future on AI demand continuing. The risk out here, Oracle now trades at 48x forward earnings, with AI accounting for most of the future revenue. If AI demand cools, Oracle has fewer fallback businesses than Microsoft or Google. However, talking about the opportunity, if the inferencing demand explodes as predicted, Oracle is positioned to be the picks and shovels provider for the AI gold rush. The bottom line out here being that Oracle proved that being late to one trend, that is cloud, can position you perfectly for the next, that is AI. Their success formula: technical expertise, plus strategic relationships, plus capital efficiency, plus perfect timing. The question now is that, is this sustainable growth or peak AI hype? Will Oracle's AI infrastructure bid pay off long term, or is this just another tech bubble? That's all that we wanted to share with you in this news update video. Hope you have liked this video. Do stay tuned in for the next update.